the rest of the statement. Then invite Honorable Karua. Thank you.
We have proper, accurate, and detailed information about OSU. We know its members wear civilian clothes. They travel in groups of 5 people from one ethnic community. They are heavily armed with lethal weapons. They are better facilitated in terms of logistics and transportation, remuneration, communication, and weapons and the country's official security agencies. This is a group that last week killed people in Kamukunji, Mlolongo, and Jogoo roads. They fired at people from unmarked green, black, gray, silver, red, and white, mostly Subaru vehicles. They also fired from one gray Toyota Succeed KBD 612G. Each of the 5 occupants of each of the vehicles was from one ethnic community, as has been stated before. These vehicles are always parked at the traffic police headquarters near the Kenyatta Hospital, at the Anti-Terror Police Unit, and Nairobi Regional Headquarters. We restate that only mission of OSU squad is to assassinate or grievously harm Azimio leaders and Kenyans protesting against harmful government policies. OSU is a squad Kenya Kwanza resolved to cooperate with, supposedly to ensure that there is no loss of life and livelihoods. It is a squad that will kill people tomorrow and during upcoming protests. We thank Kenyans on Twitter and on social media because they on their part have been able to pick on this killer squad and spread it all over. Of course, we are still gathering evidence in this regard. I now call on Mheshimiwa Martha Karua to make the rest of the statement.